Good evening, everybody. If you can hear me, can I get it in the comment section? Please, if you can hear me, can I get it in the comment section? If you can hear me, can I get it in the comment section? If you can hear me, drop something for me in the comment section. Let me know you can hear me loud and clear. Okay, we can hear me loud and clear. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Jones, good evening. You're welcome. You're ready for another great session. That's great. Good evening. Emmanuel, good evening. You're welcome. Dima, good evening. You're welcome. Festus, good evening. Good evening. Good evening. You're welcome. Oh, Dima, you cooked rice for everybody. Drop your plate for table, make you dish. Okay, we're going to drop our plates on the table. Thank you so much for preparing something for us to eat this night. Festus, good evening. You're welcome. Tosin, you're active. Good evening. You're welcome. Oluwasegun, good evening. You're welcome. Damilola, good evening. Ibukun, good evening. You're welcome. Jeremiah, good evening. Praise, good evening. Peter, good evening. You're welcome. Okay, so Jeremiah is ready to dive deeper. Good evening, you're welcome. Bakari, good evening. Eugene, good evening, you're welcome. T-Boy Beats, good evening, you're welcome. Sylvanus, good evening. Bakari, good evening. Nice to meet with you again. To Noble, you're welcome. Olajide, good evening. You're welcome. Mercy, good evening. Tosco, good evening. Thank you so much for the feedback. Balumi, good evening. Marvelous, good evening. Thank you so much. Bakari, thank you so much. Peter, good evening. You're welcome. Olajide, thank you so much. Oluwasegun, good evening. You're welcome. T-Boy Beats, good evening. Peter, thank you so much. Festus, good evening. Emmanuel, thank you. Damilola, thank you. Balumi, good evening. Sonny, thank you so much. Onyi Damola, I see you too. Good evening. Marvelous, good evening. Victor, good evening. Belumi, good evening. Becky, you're welcome. Good evening. Islamiyat, good evening. Nuruddin, good evening. Ngozi, good evening. Queen Amina, good evening. Sonny, good evening. You're welcome. Lazarus, good evening. Gilda, good evening. You are welcome too. So, a beautiful evening to everybody from wherever it is you're connecting with us. From Veronica, good evening. You're welcome. Gwen, thank you so much. Good evening. Mohammed, good evening. Bisola, good evening. Sylvanas, good evening. Yes, good evening, good evening, good evening to everybody. Good evening to everybody. This is the first time we'll be seeing this week. This is the first time we'll be talking this week. So I don't think it's too late to say Happy New Week to everybody. I don't think it's too late. Though today is a Tuesday, I still don't think it's too late to say Happy New Week. So happy New Week to everybody. Shagun, good evening. You are welcome. Oluwaseun, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the feedback. Thank you. Bisola, good evening. Praise, good evening. So Happy New Week to everybody. If you're just joining the live, please make sure you keep liking the live. I can see some people liking the live already. Thank you so much. So yes, it's a new week. So let me know how your week started. Did your week though today is Tuesday, just as I said, but let me know how it has been from Monday today. Did your week start off on a positive note, or was it the opposite? Or was your week just there? There was nothing really significant. You just woke up yesterday, did your normal routine, and then you went to sleep as there was no class yesterday. Then today you woke up, went to work, did what you were supposed to do. So how did your week start off? Was it positive? Did something interesting, something new, something good, did it happen yesterday? Or if it was the opposite too, drop it in the comment section and let's have a quick talk today. So how did your week start off? Though my week started off on a very positive note. Yes, actually. Though last week was, should I say, it was really not nice. It was really not nice. It was very, very stressful. But though you guys are not asking me how my week started, but I'll tell you. Yes, my last week was very hectic, but this week started on a very positive note. So I'm happy. I wish the rest of the week continues this way. So let me know how your week started off in the comment section. Oh, Adejuran said he started off on a very positive note. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. We are starting the week with positivity. Okay, Gilda, happy new week to you. To Praise, happy new week to you. To Samson, happy new week. T-Boy, happy new week to you. To Sonny, happy new week to you. Nuruddin said, my week has been so productive. Oh, wow. That's good to hear. Nuruddin, your week has been so productive. So, what made it productive? Did you just tell me? Don't let me give you options. What made it productive? Let me know in the comment section. Peter said, my week was a beautiful one, especially knowing that I had to do my project. Oh, yes. So, Peter, how was the project? I think I've asked this question before, but I'll just ask you directly. How exactly were you feeling when you were doing that your project? You said your weekend was productive. It was a beautiful one because you had to do your project. So how did you feel doing it? So Praise said, okay, it started with me successfully completing my project assignments, which is positive. Okay, I'm glad PD you at least made your week start off on a very positive note. That's good to hear. Okay, Areoluwa, good evening. You're welcome. Tunde said it started on a good note. Oh, wow. Your week started on a good note. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. Given said mine started positively and has been quite productive. I can see productive people in the house. I can see productive people in the house. Well done, well done, well done. Okay, Abdulatif said, designing UI UX is a plus to my week achievements. Designing UI UX is a plus to my week achievements. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. So I'm trying to say throughout the whole weekend you were designing and designing and designing. Let me know in the comment section too. Sonny said, my week started with a bang because I was busy with UI UX tutorials. Okay, it's good to see that PDU is doing amazing and PDU actually influenced our week and made sure our week started on a positive note. That's very, very good to hear. Okay, Samson said a very positive week. I learned to be learning how to make money online today. That's positivity for me. I love the honesty in this. I love the honesty in this. Okay. Peter said, I was so excited doing it. Oluwaseun said, it has been awesome. It has been awesome. Okay. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. So I would still love to know how our week started off because there are some people on this call that have still not dropped something. Jeremiah said, my week started with focus. Your week started with focus. Okay, that's a good one. I hope the rest of the week ends with focus too. So if you're just joining the live, please make sure you subscribe to the channel if you've not done that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you've not done that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you've not done that. In fact, let me do a quick check. Let me do a quick check. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please do that now and type done in the comment section. And also, if you subscribe to the channel already, can I get done in the comment section? Let me know how many people are subscribed and how many people have not subscribed. So drop done in the comment section if you've done that. And if you're just doing it now to still indicate with done in the comment section. Okay, Palumi said, my week started on a good note, though I got stuck when doing my assignment, but I was able to figure it out. Okay, that's a good one. It's good to hear you were at least able to figure it out. Okay, so I'm still waiting for a done, done, done. Okay, I can see done, done on the comment section. If you've subscribed, can I get done? And if also you just did it now, can I get done in the comment section? And I can see some amazing people liking the live already. I can see some amazing people liking the live already. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's really, really important you like the live. So thank you so much. And also, I'm still waiting for our done, done, done in the comment section. Done, done, done in the comment section if you've subscribed to the channel. Okay, Damilola said, my week started exciting and I was also able to finish my project in just a limited time. Oh wow. I can see amazing UI UX designers in the house already. I can see amazing UI UX designers in the house already. Well done. That's an amazing one. Okay, Faithful said, my project was a walk in the park. See what I was talking about? Amazing UI UX designer already. The project was a walk in the park, which means it was so simple. Wow, that's good to hear. That's good to hear. Well done, well done, well done, well done. So can I get done in the comment section? Done in the comment section. Okay, talking about Faithful that said my assignment was just a walk in the park. Let me ask about the project. Let me ask you about the project. When you were was there any challenges you faced in the project? Gabriel, please, I can't post my design in the Telegram channel. The Telegram channel is not for you to drop your assignment to. Every assignment link, every assignment submission link is sent already. So when you are done with them, you send them through the link that was dropped for the submission. The Telegram channel is not for submitting assignments. There is a specific link to submit your assignment. So when you are done with it, just use the link and submit the assignment. Okay, Tosco, you said please link for the previous classes. Just check on the YouTube channel. Here on the YouTube channel, you are going to see the previous classes. You don't need any link. Just subscribe to the channel and you get access to the previous classes on this YouTube channel. Okay, Rachel said this week started on a good note and it was amazing because it was amazing yesterday because it was my birthday. Okay, it was your birthday. Permit me to quickly sing for you. Please don't mind my voice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy belated birthday to you, Rachel. Long life and prosperity in good health in Jesus' name. This is going to be your best year yet. In Jesus' name, happy birthday. And please drop our cake. Make sure you share the cake. You're looking forward to an interesting class today. Oh, don't worry. PDU is going to make sure you have a very, very amazing birthday experience. The class today is going to be amazing. No, Esther, there was no class yesterday. There was no class yesterday. Faithful said, not really. I didn't face any complicated problem. Okay, that's good to hear. That's good to hear. Esther, I've replied you already. There was no class yesterday. Samuel, your laptop got spoiled. Oh, wow. I'm so, so sorry to hear that. What happened to it? What's the fault it developed? Oluchi too, your laptop got spoiled and I had to borrow my sister's laptop. Oh, wow. That's very, very good. I'm happy to hear this, the fact that you went out of your way to borrow your sister's laptop, it really shows that you are determined to do what we are ready to do in the class. Thank you so much, thank you so much. And please, I have to emphasize on this again. Oh, something is telling you to send the cake to his DMO. Okay, so there is something I need to emphasize again. Please make sure you do your projects and your assignments. Please make sure you do your project and your assignment because that is what will qualify you for your certificate. At the end of the training, we don't want to be hearing stories like, oh, I wasn't able to get my certificate. You probably missed out on something. So please, your test is very, very important. Your project is very, very important. Make sure you do your tests, make sure you do your project because that's what's going to earn your certificate. Though it's a free class, and that is because it has been sponsored by some amazing people. But you still have to earn your certificates. Do we get? You still have to put in the work. Some people are putting in their resources already, which is money. So you have to put in your resources, which is time. So please make sure you do your test, make sure you do your projects to get your certificate. Okay. Bible said my assignment was smooth. I surprised myself. Okay, that's good to hear. Ibuko said my week started with focus and excitement. Okay, that's good to hear. Rachel, you are very much welcome. You're very much welcome. So, we are going to go straight into the class today. We are going straight into the class today. So, if you're ready for today's class, let me do something because I noticed that there are some people that they are going to be on the call just like this. They're going to be on a live call just like this, and instead of them to pay attention, they are probably going to be turning eba somewhere or cooking soup, and they are just going to be on the call and we know we're on the same page. So, if you know you are 100% with me, you are 100% with me, and you want us to fly, like you are fully, fully, fully ready for today's class. Can I get I am 100% with you in the comment section? If you know you are not distracted with anything and you are just waiting for the class to start, can I get Yes, made by Red. It's a live class. It's a live class. It is a live class. So if you know you are ready for today's class, your 100% concentration is with you. Can I get I am ready with you in the comment section? I am 100% ready. Can I get it in the comment section? I am 100% ready. I am 100% ready. If you are ready for today's amazing session, I am 100% ready. I'm going to catch people red-handed today. The people that will just join the live and they'll be doing something else. I'm going to. Oh, Ibuko said, wow, you actually got the EBA. I am about to start on. You see what I'm talking about now? I caught you, and I'm going to catch more people again. So, only if you know you're 100% ready with me, can I get I am ready in the comment section? I am 100% ready. I am 100% ready in the comment section. And also, the class is about to start real soon. Made by Red, then why can't I get a response both on WhatsApp and Telegram? What's the issue? What exactly are you talking about? What issue are you not getting response to? So I am 100% ready. Can I get it in the comment section? And also, the class is about to start real soon. So make sure you keep liking the live. You don't want to get disconnected when the class starts. So make sure you keep liking the live. Make sure you keep liking the live. Okay, I can see enough. I am ready. I am ready. I am ready in the comment section. So I think I'm just going to hand over my mic today for the tutor for today for another amazing session tonight. So, Mr. Favor Francis, are you ready for an amazing session with us tonight? Okay, while our tutor is getting ready for the class today, while our tutor is getting ready, made by Word, you can't submit your project. Like, what exactly is the issue? Why can't you submit your project? Are you trying to submit on the Telegram platform or on the WhatsApp platform? Just as I said, there is going to be a submission link for every test and every assignment given. Each project given, there is a different submission link for that particular project. Another project given, there is a different submission link for that project. So you said you are not able to submit your project. What exactly is the issue? What exactly is the issue? I was directed to drop a response on Telegram, nothing yet. If you are still talking about your project, you are not to submit your project on Telegram. Oh. You have to submit your project on the submission link given to you. Submit your project and the submission link given to you. Okay, so I am 100% ready. I am 100% ready. We are I think we are 68 people on this call, and I am not even seeing up to half I am ready in the comment section. So let's keep our I am ready coming in the comment section so our tutor will know we are ready for an amazing time. We are ready for an amazing time. And I'm made by Red that you're talking about. Oindamola, you said I should reply you. Please, what are you talking about? Through the links. Yes, I know. I always get the same error, server rejected. If you are talking about the project, maybe you are trying to submit your projects now. All projects for last week are closed already. You can no longer submit any project. All projects links are closed already. So if you are trying to submit now, it's not going to get through. It's not going to get through because it is closed already. If that is what you are talking about. Okay, Mercy, you asked me to reply you. I am waiting for what you want a response on. Okay, Samson said 101% ready. 100% is not enough. Wow, I can see Samson is very ready for today's class, like extremely ready for today's class. Okay, if you are, thank you for asking how I am doing very okay. I am doing very okay. Oh, Mercy, you just joined the group and you just joined the group. Can I do the previous assignment? All the submission the project thing has been closed. Just like told, made by Red now, all the submission link has been closed. Has been closed. So if you're ready for this, I am ready in the comment section. I am ready in the comment section. I am ready in the comment section. So I can hand over my mic to the support. ready in the comment section. I need about 40. Please, let's make it so quick. I need about 40 because we are close to 70 on this call. So if over half is not ready for the class, we might not have to. We might just have to maybe go down a bit for the people that are ready. Maybe they are getting their gadgets ready or something. So if you are this class, can I get I am ready in the comment section. 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 And am I audible enough? Am I audible enough? I thought ending was okay. Am I audible enough? Let me know in the comment section if I am audible enough. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So if you're ready for an amazing session again, can I get I am ready in the comment section? And also, you know how we do it. Make sure your 100% concentration is with you. Your 100% concentration. Make sure you have it with you. Your zero distraction. You need that too. Because I said it that this ninth session is going to be a mind-blowing one. So your zero distraction, your 100% concentration, and also your fully charged laptop. Make sure it's ready with you. Oh, I'm audible enough. Now I can get enough I am ready as I need in the comment section. So I'm just going to hand over my mic to the tutor for today now, saying we are ready. So Mr. Favor Francis, we are 100% ready for you tonight. Are you 100% ready for us tonight too?
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Miss Ella. I really, really appreciate you, Ma, for that wonderful. Everyone, come on, let's give it up for Miss Ella. Let's give it up for our wonderful hosts that have been making sure that we are all ready before the class today. Come on, come on. Somebody just put it in the comment section. Thank you, Miss Ella. Thank you, Miss Ella. Thank you, Miss Ella. If you know, based on what you're putting on the comment section, that you're ready, because tonight we want to get into an amazing aspect of UI UX design that's going to blow your mind. Trust me. So come on, put it on the comment section. Thank you, Miss Ella. Thank you, Miss Ella. Thank you, Miss Ella. Thank you, Miss Ella. Okay, so I believe that you guys have been having an amazing section with my colleague, with one of our senior colleague, Mr. Abel, and you guys have been getting it back to back. He has been giving you guys everything we told you that we're going to give you when it comes to this UI UX training. And I believe that those of you that are here, trust me, I will always say this: I appreciate every one of you that is here. And the reason why I do sincerely appreciate you is because of your perseverance, because of your commitment, because of your sacrifice. When we started this training, a lot of people joined, some of them that were in doubt, some of them that were not serious, some of them that even were serious, but they thought that they could complete the training, but along the line, they are not here today. But you that is on this call, I can see Ngozi, I can see Ademola, I can see Ayomi Day, I can see Anne, I can see amazing people, Daniel, I can see Oyedamola, I can see amazing people. You guys are here today, so I celebrate you for committing to this, for making sure you sacrifice. It's not like you too, you don't have other things you're doing. It's not like you too, you don't have a busy schedule, but you've told yourself that this course, I must learn it, I must achieve the goal that PDU Africa have set out to achieve with us. So you have done this, and I really appreciate you guys. Come on, give yourself a big round of applause. Give yourself a wonderful emoji. Just congratulate yourself on the comment section. Congratulate yourself on the comment section, because of you need that congratulation. Come on, everybody, do this. Let's do this. For you to move from week 1 to week 2, it is by week 2 that we will know those that were really serious about this class, those that have really told themselves that I will get to this to the last, and it's by week 2. Give yourself congratulations on the comment section. Congratulate yourself. You're not congratulating me. You're the one that has persevered. You're the one that has sacrificed. Congratulate yourself on the comment section. You have been amazing, and we really give it for you. You have been amazing. Sincerely, you have been amazing. Okay, Thank you guys so much. You guys are wonderful. You guys are great. Tonight we are going to be entering into a wonderful aspect of UI UX design, and this aspect is an aspect that if you're a UI UX designer and you don't have an idea of this aspect, then you need to be checked. You need to be checked. Anywhere they normally check UI UX designer before they give them jobs, you need to be checked. And this aspect is one of the crazy aspect of UI UX design, and it's called working with what? Prototypes. Working with prototype, or another set of people call it interaction design. Is that okay? Working with prototype. This is what separates the boys from the men. This is what separates those that are still in the level of graphic design and those that are in the level of UI UX design. Is that okay? This is one of the biggest difference between a graphic designer and a UI UX designer. Is that okay? Your ability to create seamless interactions, your ability to make design that comes to life, your ability to make designs that performs as if you are using the product, your ability to make designs that gives the feelings to your client, to your sponsor, that gives them that feeling that, wow, they are going to have an amazing product. They are going to have an amazing software. They are going to have an amazing app. They are going to have an amazing website. So this is where you differentiate yourself from the boys. Okay, so if you're ready to get into prototyping tonight, come on, just put on the comment section, I can. Put on the comment section, I can. Put on the comment section, I can. Come on, can we do this together? Put on the comment section, I can. You know our motto, I can, I will, and I must. Just put I can alone. I can, I can, I can. You're telling yourself, no matter if people can do this, you can do this. Nothing is difficult if you put yourself and you are in one of the best training that we are going to be taking you ABC standard as we have been doing. Okay, so at this junction, I'm going to share my screen so that we can proceed. I'm going to share my screen, my slide, so that we can proceed. Okay. Okay, we have introduction to prototyping. Introduction to prototyping. So the first question is, what is prototyping? That might be the first question that a lot of people might be asking as I just introduced this topic. What is prototyping? So come on, can I see you give me on the comments? What do you think is prototyping? Come on, give me on the comment. You know I love an interactive class. Those of you that have attended my class, you know it's always interactive. Give me on the comment. Give me on the comment. Give me on the comment. What do you think is prototyping? Can I get your own idea behind prototyping? What do you think is prototyping? Come on, give me on the comment. Come on, give me on the comment. Can I see it rolling in now? Can I see it rolling in now? Can I see it rolling in now? Give me on the comment. What is prototyping? Give me on the comment. What do you understand by prototyping? What do you understand by prototyping? Come on, give me on the comment. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Give me on the comment, guys. Somebody said something. Akman said a preview of the final product. Okay, okay, a preview of the final product. Okay, I love that. Ifeanyi says it is a demo of how the work will be in the future. Great one, Ifeanyi. I feel you, bro. I feel you. Okay, another person says, Pro Westel says a prototype is an early sample model or release of a product built to test a concept or process. Pro Westel, you are a scientist. I love that. I love that. I love that. I love that. You're giving us a scientific explanation. I love that. Okay. Another person here says, Michi says, prototyping is the process of creating a preliminary often interaction model of a product to visualize, test, and validate idea before full development. That is a professor take. That is a professor take. I love that, Michi. You are giving us professor vibes. Michi, thank you so much. I love that. I love that. I love that. That's a professor vibes over there. Similarly, says more like a sample of the product. Okay, I feel you, bro. I feel you there. Okay, and the last person I'm going to call says Ngozi Eze says prototyping is to make an exact look of a product. An exact look of a product. Good. Okay, you all have said different aspects of prototyping. Great takes, great explanation. I love you guys for working with me, for vibing with me, for giving me feedback. I love that. Now, let's look at prototyping using an ABC model. That means even though you have never heard this word called prototyping before, after today, the goal is that you become someone that can explain to thousands of people what prototyping is all about. Now, prototype, is that okay? That's in UI UX design specifically. Is that okay? Prototype is an interactive simulation or a model that mimics how the final product will look or behave. I'm going to repeat that again. Prototyping is an interaction simulation or a model that will mimic how the final product will look or behave. Now, that English might be sounding as someone that did their master's degree. We are not here for masters. We are here for someone that is even an 8-year-old child. You have your child on this call. Your child will become a pro. That's why we are here. So let me break that down. Now, what prototyping is prototyping is like where you want to mimic something, right? You're trying to mimic the real deal. Is that okay? You're trying to mimic the real deal. I believe that sometime they were telling us that scientists will soon start having clones of human beings. Come on, guys. Are you with me? Clones of human beings. What are clones? Clones are something that looks like the original, but it's not the original. Do you get what I'm saying? Something that looks like the original, but is not the original. That means you can use that thing as if it's the original, but it is not yet that thing. It is not the original. So even though scientists make human beings or clones, they eventually crack the secret and they are able to make clones. There is no way, I don't believe that up till today, that there is a way that clones can perform or behave exactly as human beings. Do you get what I'm saying? Are we together? So that is exactly what prototype is into. Now, let me give you another explanation. For those of you that maybe you are into aviation, or you have a friend that is into aviation, or you know this pilot, this guy is called pilot. Is that okay? These pilot guys that fly planes. Is that okay? Before they allow you to fly a plane, that's a real plane, you will go through a school, an aviation school, where you are going to be taught how to fly a plane. And one of the things, if I can remember vividly, I remember I told you that I was a leader for the 375 Battalion. I remember those days in air school when we were learning how to fly plane for the war. I remember those days in air school. And one of the things that they do to us during those days is that they put us in a place called a simulator. Is that okay? They put us in a place called a simulator. My battalion, they know me for that because of I'm always too good in that regard. Is that okay? They put us in a place called a simulator, and that simulator looks like the real plane. It looks like the real war machine. It looks like the real aircraft. Is that okay? It looks like when the real plane, when I was shooting down my pump action from the flying helicopter. Is that okay? It looks like that. So you will first of all drive that simulator, and if you are able to move that simulator and land it correctly and do it over and over again without making mistake, before they will now bring you to enter into one of our war machines back in the days. Are you guys with me? If you guys are with me, put on the comment section. I will. You're telling yourself you will. You will get this. You will get it. So that simulator gives you that feel as if you are in the original aircraft, but you're not in the original aircraft. So that is exactly what prototype does. And that is why UI UX design is a big deal. Because of this one thing called prototype. Do you get what I'm saying? Because of this one thing called prototype. Do you get what I'm saying? So when you create a design, the design we have been creating are called static design, static UI. Do you get what I'm saying? So when you create that static UI, one of the things that differentiates UI UX design from just the normal graphic design is your ability to now move that design and make the design to look like a clone, make the design to work as if it's the original, make the design to look like a simulator. Come on, guys. Come on. Are you guys getting this? Are we together? Make the design to look like the original app and work like the original product, even when the product is not yet in existence. Meaning that your client, your sponsor, your supervisor, your CEO, your manager can feel and operate that design as if it's the original product, as if it's the original OPay app, as if it's the original Money Point app, as if it's the original Kuda app, as if it's the original Momo app, as if it's the original Neobank app. Come on, guys. Are you guys with me? Are we together? So you are able to operate that thing. So with the help of UI UX prototyping, you can create a design that functions as if it's the real app, operates as if it's the real app, performs as if it's the real app, but it's not the real app. So let me tell you the reason why this is important. Come on, somebody say to me, let's tell this secret. Say secret on the comment. This thing I want to tell you next is a secret. Put secret on the comment. This is what will differentiate you from someone that is sleeping. Put secret on the comments and I will tell you this secret. Because I need to calm my voice to tell you this secret so that people around you will not hear. We're on the internet, so that everybody on the internet will not hear. Put secret on the comments. Put secret on the comments. It's a secret. Okay, now let me lower my tone and tell you this secret. Now listen. Anywhere you are, just make sure cover your phone, lower the volume. Is that okay? You hire it back. Is that okay? Let me tell you this secret. Listen. Now, the simple reason why people want their products, their apps, their websites to be prototyped, right, is because of they don't want to waste fund. Nobody wants to waste fund in building something that they are not going to like in the future. Is that okay? So if you're investing millions of dollars or naira into building let's say a fintech product, listen, this is a secret, even so that people don't hear. Are you with me? If you're investing millions of dollars building a fintech product, you want to be able to see the product perform even when it has not been developed. Is that okay? You don't want to wait until you finish developing that product and you now look at it and you now say, I don't like this thing. Remember, money has gone in, right? You have bought your hosting, you have paid engineers already for the development. Money has gone in. So to start correcting that thing, it becomes a problem. Is that okay? It becomes a problem. So this is one of the reasons why they need UI UX designers to create. See, let's say this is a secret. Cover your phone. I can see someone there. I can see someone there. I can see an Ebenezer. Your phone is still on loudspeaker. Cover your phone. Your phone is still on loudspeaker. Cover your phone. Now, this is one of the reasons why they need UI UX designers to create prototype for their client, for companies, so that they can see how this app will be working. They can see whether this app will be liked. They can test this app with users and confirm if this app is good or this app is going to have a very nice experience before they start investing millions of dollars or millions of naira to start building the app. Do you get the secret? So this is one of the key secrets why prototype is a big deal. Is that okay? This is one of the don't tell anybody I told you this. If you tell anybody, you can spoil businesses. Is that okay? This is one of the reasons why prototype is being looked for by a lot of organization that wants to build a product. Is that okay? They want to get a prototype, they want to have it, and that is why prototype is like a big gig. If you're a UI UX designer and you don't know how to do prototyping, is a big minus. So you must know how to do prototyping. Now, everybody, listen. Everybody, if you are somewhere outside, run to the bathroom now, and you can now unmute your phone. Run to the bathroom, because what you have heard now is fire. What you have heard now is a secret. Years of secret I've kept. Years of secret. You are the first to hear it. Run to the bathroom now and put your phone on loudspeaker. Let's go. Okay, so that is prototyping. That is what prototyping. You have heard one of the biggest secret that if it uncovers, it becomes a problem. Is that okay? So this is the reason why prototype is what is needed. Do you get what I'm saying? Because of nobody wants to what? Nobody wants to make mistake. In our today world, the world we live in today is a world that there is high competition. There is high competition. Is that okay? There is high competition. So you don't want to, the competition is so much to the point that you don't want to just carry your money. Investors do not just want to carry their money and throw into anything. Are we together? Investors do not want to just carry their money and what? And throw into anything. They want to what? Throw into something that they are sure is going to be what? Is going to be good. Is that okay? It's going to be what? It's going to be good. Are we together? So you need to what? You need to know this. So this is what prototyping is all about. Come on. If you enjoyed this, even the secret that I know you have locked, even the secret, put ABC on the comment section. Let's proceed. Put ABC on the comment section. Let's proceed. I love you guys. You guys are good. I can keep my deepest secret with you guys. The way you guys have covered this, my secret. There is, in short, before the end of this class, I'll tell you what happened during the 19th battalion. Even before they moved me from the 19th to the 375 battalion, I'll tell you guys what, it's a deep secret. If this secret goes out, Russia and Ukraine war is small. There will be war between. Let me not spit some things to you guys. I'll tell you guys later. Okay, let's proceed. So that is what prototyping is all about. So let's look at benefit of prototyping. Are we together? Benefit of prototyping. Number one, prototyping helps you, right, to test interaction with users. Are we together? Prototyping helps you. Are we together? To what? To test interaction with what? With users. Are we on the same page? Are we on the same page? So what this means is that when you are able to create a design that is like a simulator, you can share it with people to check out the design for you, and it helps you to know whether that design is even good. Because sometimes you can do a normal design, and to you'll be thinking that design is fine, right? But remember, you're not building or you're not designing for yourself. You're designing for the public. You're designing for people. You're designing for your target audience. Is that okay? So when you do prototype, it is very easy for you to send your link, your prototype link. There's something we call a prototype link. It's very easy for you to send your prototype link to your audience, for your audience to be able to check it out and confirm that, wow, I love this. This is incredible. Or maybe I'm finding it difficult to understand this product and all that. So with that, you are able to know whether what you have designed, it is really good from the perspective of a real life user, instead of assuming. Because of in design, one of the things that makes you different from the crowd of designer is when you're not working with assumptions. Are we together? Assumption is when you believe that what you like is what the public will like. What you like is what the users will like. And that's why a lot of UI UX designers, especially young ones coming up, right, they get it wrong. Because of what they like. Let's say they like the way this thing is, they like this color, they like this interaction, they like this thing, they like what you like does not mean what people will like. You are not building for yourself and your family members, you're building for users. If you're building for yourself and your family members, we will know. If OPay, Money Point, they were building for themselves and family members, we will know. By now, it is them and their family members that will be using it. Do you get what I'm saying? But they are building for users. So when you are building for users, you need to confirm if users actually love this product, not you. Do you get what I'm saying? Very good. So let's proceed. The next one, it helps you to present your design better. Are we together? It helps you to present your design better. Now, what does presenting your design better mean? If you have a client, right, and you just do design on frame, the client does not feel the design except you have prototyped the design. You have made the design to look like a what? Like a real life product. You have made the design to look like a real life app. You have made the design to look like a real life software. You have made the design, for those of you that are going to be game designers, you have made the design to look like a real life game. Don't worry, in UI UX design, there are different aspects. You can be a game UI UX designer. You can concentrate on digital product. I talk about product softwares and all that. So it depends on which area you want to. Don't worry, maybe towards the end of this program, I'll give you guys, I'll break down the different areas of UI UX design that you can pursue a career or focus on. For those of you that want to specialize at the end of the day. Is that okay? Another thing again, prototyping helps for is for collaboration. Is that okay? So when you are able to prototype a product, it's very easy for anybody you're working with to understand your design and to know where you're heading to, your headway. Is that okay? The last thing that is one of the key benefits of prototyping is understanding user experience. Is that okay? Understanding user experience. What does understanding user experience mean? It means that when you prototype, you understand what people like and what they don't like, what makes them feel good and what doesn't make them feel good. Are we together? As you use Opay app every day, as you use MoneyPoint app every day, are we together? They try as much as possible to understand those things that are making you to feel good. Are we together? And those things that are not making you to feel good, they track. See, let me tell you, all this app, they track everything their user do on their app. Do you get what I'm saying? So that they will know those places that are difficult for their users and those places that are not difficult. Those places people don't like to go and those places people like to go. They track all these things. So this is exactly what prototype does for you as a designer. Is that okay? So very, very important. Are we on the same page? Okay, now this is what is going to help us or lead us into Figma to start what? Doing our prototype. So we're going to head into Figma right now to start doing some prototype magic. So if you're with your PC, get your glass of juice by your side. Whatever juice you want to get, is it pineapple? Is it you want to get some soda? You want to get some apple juice, orange juice, right? No alcohol. Remember, we don't do alcohol right here on this class. Is that okay? So no alcohol. Get something by your side while opening up your Figma. So everybody, I'm going to give you some few seconds to open up your Figma. And as you're opening up your Figma, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube, please, you're doing bad. You're doing bad. You're doing bad. You're doing bad. Come on, we need more people to get this update to know what is going on here. Is that okay? So try as much as possible to subscribe to our YouTube and like the live. Come on, everybody, if you have not done it, do that now. Come on, if you have not done it, do that now. If you have not done it, do that now. As you get your closer, as you draw closer your glass of apple juice. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. As you draw closer your glass of apple juice. Let's go. Okay. I'm trying to get into my Figma. So everybody get into your Figma now. Come on, let's do this. Get into your Figma. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Get into your Figma, get into your Figma. And I want to believe again that we have all done our project. The project that was given to you on Saturday, that's about 3 days now. So the project that was given to you on Saturday, try as much as possible and complete that project. By the way, for those of you, we gave you a warning, a lot of warning. Every submission link for last week has been closed up. So if for any reason you have not submitted your project for last week, you might not be able to submit it again because our grading team have started grading. Is that okay? For those of you that might be saying you are still finding it difficult to submit for last week, there is enough time we have given to you. The deadline for most of those projects was a day, but we gave more than a day to show you that we have really, really been considerate. Is that okay? So we gave more than a day for your submission. So every submission link for last week has been closed, but that doesn't still stop you from doing your project. So even though you are not able to submit, the goal of this training first is the knowledge. Is that okay? Is to acquire this knowledge we are giving to you. So that shouldn't stop you from completing your project. So complete it for yourself, for you to master what you need to master. And even though you can't submit it anymore, but the goal is that you have completed it and you have been able to master what you need to master. Do you get it? So I am just saying this for some people that immediately they find out that the project link has been closed, they will say they are not doing the project again. Are you doing me? You're not doing me, right? If you say you're not doing the project again, is it going to affect me in any way? No, it's not going to affect me in any way, in any manner. It is you that needs to learn. It is you that needs to practice that is going to affect, not me. Is that okay? So don't have that mentality that because of a project link was closed and you cannot submit, you will not say you're not doing the project again. You're actually not doing me, you're doing yourself. Is that okay? Okay. So I'm looking for, I want to get that design, the design you guys did the other time. The project design. So I want to get the project design. The project design. Let me see if I can get the project design. Or I will use the one you guys used for your classwork. So I'll just simply use the one you used for your classwork. I will use the one you guys used for your classwork with Mr. Abel. Okay. So I think Mr. Abel had this design with you guys some couple of classes ago. Someone is asking, how can we blend two or more colors? You use the gradients. Once you go to that color library, you're going to see the gradients option over there. Is that okay? Just check one of those icons where you see solid color, you see gradient there. So, or maybe remind me before the end of this training so that I'll quickly do that. Is that okay? So you can quickly remind me before the end of this training so that I quickly do that. Okay, so I want to believe that this is the design you guys did with Mr. Abel on Saturday. This is the design. Am I right? So, and every one of you, you have this design already. These designs, you already have them. I want to believe so. So this is the design you did with Mr. Abel the other day. Okay, so we are going to be practicing prototype on this design, and one of the or the first prototype we're going to do today, we're going to be showing you how to create what we call a dark mode and light mode version of your design. You can do that using prototype. So that is one prototype you can learn as someone that is kickstarting your career as a UI UX designer. Is that okay? Because on most apps today, most softwares today, they have always light mode and dark mode. Is that okay? So you can switch between light mode of the app, you can switch between dark mode and light mode of the app. Is that okay? So I'm going to be quickly showing you with this design you guys did in the last section. Please, you want to make sure you take note of whatever we are doing here, because of you're going to be doing this on your project after this class. Is that okay? Every one of you, you're going to be practicing this and doing this on your project after this class. So you want to make sure, first of all, you have done your previous assignment, because it is that previous assignment you are going to be using for your project after this class. Is that okay? Now, the first thing you need to do is to have a design. You cannot do prototype without having an existing design. Is that okay? So you do a prototype with an existing design or an existing element. Is that okay? So you cannot just do prototype without an existing design or existing element, right? Because of prototype is like a clone of the original thing. So first of all, you must have designed the thing before you start finding ways to make it a clone. Is that okay? Are we together? So everybody, we want to start ABC technique right now. We want to start ABC technique right now. So you want to follow me bumper to bumper. Is that okay? We want to start ABC technique right now. So you want to follow me bumper to bumper. Is that okay? Good. Everybody put bumper to bumper in the comment section. Let me know that you're following me. Put bumper to bumper on the comment section. Let me know you're following me closely, very close, very close, very close. You guys know that I'm a battalion leader, so you know how I do my things. Operation No Man Down. Operation No Man Down. Operation what? No Man Down. Operation No Man Down. Operation No Man Down. Are you there? Put bumper to bumper on the comment. Let me know how many of you are with me. Put bumper to bumper on the comment. Let me know how many of you are with me. Put bumper to bumper. B2B. I love that. I love that road to me. B2B. Come on. Can we put B2B? I love that. I love that abbreviation. B2B. Come on. Thank you, Rotimi. You have given me one watchword I will use to motivate my battalions. The next time as a veteran, the next time I go to see them. Thank you so much. B2B. Thank you so much. Okay, now the first step we are going to do is to, in order for us to create our light mode and dark mode, the first thing we are going to do is to show you how this light mode and dark mode works without a design. So I'm going to show you how it works without a design. Then I will show you how to apply it to an existing design. Is that okay? Good. So let me show you how it works without a design. Is that okay? So I'll just show you how it works. So I have a blank screen. I'll come back to this design. Don't worry. So everybody just work with me. Let's do it to show how it works without a design. Then we'll now apply it to this design and you'll see the magic on this design. So let's show it on an empty space. So on this empty space, I'm going to create a frame. So everybody walk with me, walk with me, walk with me. I'm going to create a frame. So I just moved that design to one side. I use my hand to etch on my keyboard. Just tap etch on your keyboard. You will get your hand to. You can use it to move your screen. Is that okay? So I just moved it one side. Is that okay? I gave space. I just moved it one side so that I can create my light mode and dark mode here. Are we together? Leave the design at one side. Leave the design at one side. We'll come back to the design. We are not doing design now. Faithful. We are not doing design now. When I want you to use design, I'll tell you can go ahead and use design. Is that okay? So the first thing we're going to do, we'll go to the toolbar, step A. Everybody go to the toolbar. I believe by now we all know where the toolbar is. Everybody go to the toolbar and select your frame tool. Where is the frame tool? The frame tool is the second tool when you count from the left. Let's count together. We're going to count 1, 2. So the second tool when you count from the left. So once you click on your frame tool, everybody, you're going to choose the iPhone 16 frame. Let's do it together. Choose the iPhone 16 frame. Is that okay? Choose the iPhone 16 frame. Figma, yes, have not yet updated to iPhone 17. So you have an opportunity to play around with iPhone 16, even though you don't have iPhone 16 in real life. For some of you, this is an opportunity to have an iPhone 16 online. Is that okay? It's the same thing. It's mindset. Is that okay? It's the same thing. It's mindset. Is that okay? It's mindset. Is that okay? If you play with iPhone 16 a lot online, it's very possible that you can have it physically. It's mindset. Are we together? Good. So you click on iPhone 16 frame. We're going to choose the iPhone 16 frame. And now I have an iPhone 16 frame right here. Now I have iPhone 16 frame right here. So I have an iPhone 16 frame right here. You can see it. You can see it right here. So I'm going to change this iPhone 16 frame. The next step, I don't like it being called iPhone 16-1. I like to rename my frame. So I'm going to rename this frame. I'm going to rename this frame. I'll call this what? I'll call this light mode. 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 Are we together? I'll call this light what? Light mode. So I'm going to rename this frame to what? To light mode. I'm going to rename this frame to light mode. I'm going to rename this frame to light mode. I'm going to rename it to light mode. That's the next step, step B. I'm going to rename this frame to light mode. What am I doing now? I'm renaming this frame to what? Light mode. Am I doing something else? No. Is Mr. Favor Francis doing something else? No. Is Mr. Favor Francis going somewhere? No. What is Mr. Favor Francis doing? Mr. Favor Francis is renaming his frame to light mode. So I rename it to light mode and I have it there. How do you rename it to light mode? Just double click on the title at the top of the frame, and you can be able to rename it to what? Light mode. Is that okay? Now we have this at light mode. We are going to go again. The next step, step C, we are going to select our text tool. Is that okay? We will select our text tool. We will select our text tool. What tool did I say you should select? Your text tool. Did I say you should select your hand tool? No. Did I say you should select your shape tool? No. Did I say you should select your comment tool? No. What tool did I say you should select? Your text tool. And what is text? T for what? Text. T for what? Text. T for what? Text, like T for table. Is that okay? So everybody go to your toolbar, select the T, the icon T for your text tool, and draw a box. Is that okay? Draw a text box. Everybody. Now, when you draw a text box, you're going to type inside the text box, call that light mode. What did I say? Call it light mode. Did I say you should call it dark mode? No. Did I say you should call it yellow mode? No. Did I say you should call it green mode? No. Did I say you should call it red mode? No. Did I say you should call it a white mode? Yes. No. Did I say you should call it white mode? Listen. No. What did I say you should call it? Light mode, not white mode. Light mode. Is that okay? So everybody type white mode. Now, when you type white mode, you can see that the text is very small. So I'm going to increase the text so that you guys can see the size of the text to be bigger. Is that okay? You can see the size of the text to be bigger. So how do I increase the size of the text? I'm going to select the entire write-up or the entire text that says light mode. I'm going to go to the right hand corner. Can you see me going to the right hand corner? Did I go to the front corner? No. Did I go to the back hand corner? No. Did I go to the up corner? No. Which corner did I go to? I went to the right hand corner. Somebody, if you believe me that I went to the right hand corner, put right on the comment section. Put right on the comment section. I went to the right hand corner where I have my properties, and then I will increase my font. Is that okay? I'm going to increase my font. It's currently at 14. Mine is currently at 14. I'm going to increase it from 14 to something bigger. So maybe maybe I'm going to make it 48. So I'll just do that, make it 48. Let it be very bold. I need it to be very bold. Okay. Are you guys with me? Now I've made it bold. I can align it center. Just make sure everything is centered, and then make sure it's at the middle. Okay, so I have it at the middle right now. I have it at the middle right now. Where is it? It's at the middle. So I just have it. Just make sure I use my default alignment that Figma is giving me those red lines. I use it to make sure it's at the middle. So now I am done with this. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create a little shape. I'm going to create a little shape that will serve as my toggle button. I'm going to create a little shape that will serve as my toggle button. I'm going to create a little shape that will serve as my toggle button. Is that okay? That's the toggle that will help me to toggle from light mode to dark mode. Or that word toggle, you can replace it with move. That will help me to move from my light mode to my dark mode. Is that okay? So everybody, let's create this shape together. Let's create this shape together. Is that okay? So how do we create this shape? That's the next step now, creating a shape. We want to do what? We want to create a toggle shape. What do we want to do now? We want to create a toggle shape. Okay, we want to create a toggle shape. So let's create this together. Everybody go to your shape tool. Your shape tool is at the bottom. Select your shape tool. Come on, walk with me, guys. Walk with me. Select your shape tool at the bottom. Where is the shape 2? The shape 2 is on the 2 bar. It is the third 2 where you count from the left. Let's count together as one family. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. And the last time, 1, 2, 3. So the shape 2 is the third 2 where you count from the left. So you click on the drop down of the shape 2, you are going to see your rectangle 2. What did I say you should choose? Your rectangle 2. Arrow for what? Arrow for rectangle. Did I say you should choose your line 2? No. Did I say you should choose arrow 2? No. Did I say you should choose ellipse 2? No. Did I say you should choose polygon? No. Did I say you should choose star 2? No. I did not say all those. What did I say you should choose? Rectangle. Arrow for what? Rectangle. So choose your rectangle and draw a tiny rectangle right here. Okay, so I have a rectangle right here, a little rectangle I just drew here. I'll tell you guys the size I'm using. I'll tell you guys the size I'm using so that nobody gets left out. Is that okay? So I've drawn my little rectangle box right here, looking nice, looking good. Is that okay? So the size I'm using 85. I'm using okay. So the size I'm using, let me use 80 by, let me use 80 by 45. 80 by 45. Let me use 80 by, or 40, 45 is okay. Okay, so I'm using 80 by 45. I'm using 80 by 45. Is that okay? So you can decide to go to the right-hand side and type 80 by 45. Is that okay? 80 by 45. You can decide to go to the right-hand side and type 80 by 45. Is that okay? You can decide to click on your rectangle, go to the right-hand side where you see layout, your layout property. You can now type under dimensions, you can type 80 by 45. The width should be 80 and the height should be 45. That's the size I'm using, though you can use your own, but this is the size I am using. And for those of you that want to use my same size, you can go ahead and type 80 by 45. 80 for the width and 45 for the height. Okay, now you have done this. The next thing you are going to do now, come on, everybody walk with me. We are going to do what we call rounded corners, right? Or corner radius. Anyone you want to call it. Rounded corners or corner radius. Is that okay? Rounded corner or corner radius. Is that okay? Yes, corner. The same corner that Arsenal used to score goal most of the times. Arsenal, you know, they call them corner FC, right? So the same corner Arsenal used to score goal every time. Is that okay? I believe in their last match is the same way they use in winning their 9-minute goal. Is that okay? So the same corner. So when you click on the rectangle, you go to the right-hand side. And when you go to the right-hand side, under appearance, under the appearance option, you're going to see opacity, and beside the opacity, you're going to see corner radius. You're going to see what? Corner radius. Are we together? You're going to see corner radius. Again, corner radius. Again, corner radius. And the last time, corner radius. Is that okay? So that place you see corner radius, just click on it and change it to what? 200. Click on that corner radius and change it to what? 200. Come on, guys. I need you to be with me. You're going to get this class if you're not distracted. Come on, let's go. We are together. We are together. Okay, so you put 200, type 200. You're not done yet. Now, the moment you type 200 under that corner radius, if you look beside the corner radius, you're going to see another icon there that looks like the corner again. It's like a square, but this time a cornered square. It is written individual corners. Come on, individual corners. It is written 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 individual corners. Are we on the same page? So click on that individual corners, and then once you click on it, don't type anything. Leave everything at 200. Is that okay? And then you will see another little icon. When you click on that individual corners, you will see another little icon that says corner smoothing. Corner smoothing. Corner smoothing. Corner smoothing. Are you seeing it? Corner smoothing. Did I say corner crooked? No. Did I say corner slope? No. I said what? Corner smoothing. Click on that settings that says corner smoothing. If you're not seeing it, look again. If you're not seeing it, look again. Your eye is sharp. Your eye is sharp. Claim it. Look again. If your eye is deceiving you and telling you that you cannot see what Mr. People is trying to slap that eye. Tell the eye that no, I will look again. Look the second time. Wash your eye. If you can go and take a bottle of water, wash the eye and look again. You're going to see the icon I'm telling you to look at. You will see it, corner smoothing. Click on it, and the moment you click on it, there's going to be a pop-up. Are we together? You will have a pop-up where you can now smooth those corners and make it as smooth and as sharp as possible. So you see it, you can make it 100%. Is that okay? Look very well, you see it. Are we on the same page? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? You can see it. I trust you. You can see it. Have you seen it? Okay. So you have corner smoothing. So you have corner smoothing. Corner smoothing. Corner smoothing. Right? So now your corner has been, like, it has been given this wonderful smooth feel. Is that okay? Smooth feel. Good, 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 good. Look, Damilola says you're looking. I like that. Look very well. You see it. Trust me. Trust me, you will see it. Okay. Good. So now you have that. You have seen it. You have done your corner smoothing. That is all. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to be duplicating. We are into the next. We are into the next. So follow me. Don't be distracted now. 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 Abdul, leave that. Abdul, leave that. I'm a spiritual man. My mind is telling me that there's somebody rubbing Abdul on his head. Abdul, leave that seat. Abdul, leave that seat. I cannot see you, but I'm a spiritual man. Abdul, don't be distracted. Leave that seat, Abdul. Someone is trying to rub your head and get you. Leave that. Tell the person to leave you. Be serious, Abdul. So you come here, you duplicate, you hold Ctrl D to duplicate. Duplicate the rectangle. The moment you duplicate it, are we together? You drag out the duplicate. Is that okay? Ctrl D to duplicate. Are we on the same page? The duplicate. So you duplicate it. Once you duplicate it, are we on the same page? Once you duplicate it, are we together? Once you duplicate it, you now make this one smaller. Is that okay? Come on, work with me. This is tricky. So work with me. Once you duplicate the rectangle by using Ctrl D, once you duplicate it, you drag out the duplicate. Is that okay? The moment you drag out the duplicate, you now reduce the second one, the one that is the duplicate. You make it smaller, make it like a circle. Is that okay? Make it like a circle. So the size I'm using, let me tell you guys the size. I'm using 45 by 45 for the second one. The duplicate, 45 by 45. Everybody duplicate your rectangle and make it as a circle. Thank you so much, Itoya. Thank you so much. PDU is the best. Yeah, we are the best. Thank you so much. We are the best. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Are we together? 45 by 45. 45 by 45. Are we together? 45 by 45. Have you done that? Have you done that? 45 by 45. Have you done that? 45 by 45. Have you done that? 45 by 45. Good. Good. So once you have done with that second circle, you have reduced the size to 45 by 45. You now drag it. Listen now, this is tricky. This is tricky. This is tricky, so that you're not going to make mistake. You drag it. Don't drag it on top of the other one yet, because if you drag it on top of the other one, most of you will not see it again because they have the same color. So what you're going to do first, you're going to change the color. Everybody, let's change the color together. So click on that 45 by 45. Come on, walk with me. I'm not going to leave you behind. I'm not going to leave you behind. I'm not going to leave you behind. You can browse about me, the man who led the 375 battalion. You know, when I laugh sometimes, I remember those days. It's crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. Okay, so when you click on it, you go to the right-hand side and you find the fill. F-I-double-L, 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 F-I-double-L. So you have the fill. You go to that fill option, click on the fill, and then you can change the color to something that is more visible so that you can see. Maybe let's do red. Let's do red, just something real quick. We're going to change it from red again, or let's do green. Let's do green, something greenish. Is that okay? Let's do green. Let's do green. Let's do green. So everybody change it to something greenish. Change it to something green, something green, something greeny, looking like this. Are we together? Green. So if you want to use the exact green I'm using, you want to type it into the field. I'm using the color code I'm using the green CE16F. CE16F. Somebody can help others to type it on the comment. CE16F. C6 rather. C6 E1 6F. 6F. CE E1 6F. CE, are you seeing it? That's the color code I'm using. That's been posted on the comment. That's the color code I'm using. That's been posted on the comment. Are we together? CE E1 6F. So that's the color code I'm using in case you want to use the exact color code I'm using. But you can use your own. Is that okay? You can use your own. But if you want to use the exact one I'm using, you can work with me. Okay, so now we have done this. I'm going to drag this and then I'll put it on top of the other one. Are you seeing they are on top of each other? Are you seeing it? I'll put it on top of this one. I'll put it on top of this. I'll put it on top of this. I'll put it on top and I'll put it at the beginning of the other one. I'll put it at the beginning. Which place am I placing it? I'm placing it at the left, on top of the other rectangle, the bigger rectangle. I'm placing it at the starting point, the left starting point. I'm placing it at the left starting point. Thank you so much, Abubakar. Thank you. Abaka is saying that we have one of the best teachers on the internet on UI UX design. You should be proud of that. For being part of those that are being taught by one of the best teachers on the internet. I appreciate it. Thank you for that, Abubakar. Okay, so are we on the same page? Now you put that. Make sure you place it on top of the other rectangle. Make sure you place it on top of the other rectangle. Is that okay? So the moment you place it on top of the other rectangle, are you with me now? The moment you place it on top of the other rectangle, you can now leave it. Is that okay? You can now leave it. You can decide to go back and change it to white if you want to, but I think I'll just leave it with this green. I think this green is very visible. I'll leave it with this green. Is that okay? I'll leave it with this green. But if you want to change it to white, it's your choice, but I'll just leave it with this green. This green looks okay, so I'll leave it with this green. Okay. Are we together? I will leave it with this green. Is that okay? Okay, if you have done this, you have gotten to this point, just put on the comment section, I must. Just put on the comment section, I must. Put on the comment section, I must. Nduka said, why is my text box not typing, but rather showing me dots anytime I type in the text box? It is not showing you dots, Nduka. It means that maybe your writing is very small. You need to zoom in. You need to zoom in. It is not dots. Maybe your writing is very small. Use Control and tap your plus key to zoom in so that you can see your text box very well. You know, sometimes when you're writing on default, it's very small. So, Nduka, I'm feeling that might be your problem. You need to zoom your screen in so that you can see your write-up before you now increase the size of your text. Is that okay, Nduka? So I think that might be your problem. Okay, so I can see those that have gotten to where I am. I love you guys. You guys are fantabulous. You guys are great. Okay, there's one OG. I'm seeing one OG here. One OG from the battalion. I can see the Fab Academy. I cannot continue without giving a shout out to this OG. In almost all our training, I do see this OG, the Fabs Academy, Twalisa. Twalisa, come on, everybody celebrate the Fabs like that's an OG. That one can give you the gist and everything that is happening in the squad. Are we together? I give you a thumbs up. The Fabs Academy, I've seen you many times, and I love the fact that you always want to learn. Thank you so much for joining us today. Okay, good. Can we proceed? Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be grouping these two. Is that okay? I'll be grouping the two rectangles. Are we together? The two rectangles. I'm going to be grouping the two rectangles. Is that okay? I'm going to be grouping the two rectangles. Is that okay? So how do I group it? How do I group it? How do I group the two rectangles? Is that okay? So I'm going to what? Hold my what? I will hold down my shift key. Everybody work with me now. Let's do this together as a team. Let's do this together as a team. Let's do this together as a team. I'm going to hold down my shift key. Is that okay? I'm going to hold down my shift key and then I will click on the first rectangle and it will be circled with a blue circle, right? You can see it. And I'll click on the second one. Are we together? In order to select two things at once, you need to hold down your shift key. Are we together? Shift. Are we together? Shift. Are we together? Shift. Did I say you should hold down your control key? No. Did I say you should hold down your tab key? No. Did I say you should hold down your alternate key? No. What key did I say? Your shift key. Are we together? As you're holding down this shift key, anybody that is disturbing you from your left to your right, just tell that person shift. Tell that person give me space. Tell that person shift. Tell that person give me space. Tell that person shift. Tell that person give me space. Tell that person shift. Tell that person give me space because of you are holding your shift key. Is that okay? So hold down your shift key, tap on the two in order for you to what? Select the both. The moment you have selected them, right click on them and you will see the option that says group selection. Group selection. Hold down your shift key and tap on the two rectangles. Click on them. You hold down your shift key, you click on them. Somebody is saying no. What are you saying no on? Are we together? Let me get you. Are you lost? Are we together? So once you select the boat, there are two. The moment, how do you know that you have selected the boat? You will see that a circle, a blue circle will be surrounding them, the both of them. That is how you know you have selected the boat. A blue circle will be selecting them. Blue like sky, blue like the sky, blue circle. Is that okay? A blue circle will be rounding them and you know you have selected them. Then you go there, take your mouse cursor on top of them, your mouse cursor on top of them. Take your mouse cursor on top of them and right click and then you will see group selection. You will see group selection. Click on the group selection and then you have put them into a group as easy as ABC. Is that okay? As easy as ABC. Okay, so now we now have them selected. Is that okay? So we are done with this. So we are done with the light mode aspect. So let's do the dark mode. So if you have been able to achieve this light mode, and we together celebrate yourself. It's not easy to do a light mode style. It's not easy. Celebrate yourself, celebrate yourself, celebrate yourself, celebrate yourself, celebrate yourself, celebrate yourself. If you have done the light mode, celebrate yourself, celebrate yourself, celebrate yourself, celebrate yourself. If anybody is holding you from eating tonight, I tell that person that Mr. Firofran said that they should give you your portion. Tell that person that Mr. Firofran said they should give you your portion. Anybody that is holding anything that belongs to you, tell that person that Mr. Firofran said that they should give you your portion because of you have been able to achieve this. This is equivalent to someone that came back from war. This is equivalent to someone that came back from war. So if they are giving medal of honor to people that came back from war, you should collect your portion. So anybody that is holding your portion, as far as you have done this, you have the right to your portion. Tell that person Mr. Vero Francis said so. Are we together? So now, the moment you have done this, the next thing you are going to do, we are going to be duplicating this light mode frame. We will be duplicating the light mode frame together. We will be duplicating the light mode frame together. We will be duplicating the light mode frame together. We are going to be duplicating the light mode frame together. So how are we going to do that? We are going to select the entire frame now. Come on, walk with me. Walk with me, 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 walk with me. We are going to be selecting the entire frame now. So just click on the name of the frame to select. How do you know that an entire frame is selected? You must see this blue line. You must see this transformation line around the frame. There is this blue line you must see around the frame. If your own is not showing any blue line, it means that you have not selected. It means that you have not selected the entire frame. You must see a blue line. What did I say? You must see a what? A blue line around the frame. You must see a blue line around the frame. You must see a blue line around the frame. So click on it to see the blue line. Are we together? The moment you select it, there's another way of duplicating. Either you hold down your alternate key. Let me teach you guys this style. Let me teach you guys this style. Let me teach you guys this style. I'm a man of style. I'm a man of style. Let me teach you guys this style. Hold down your alternate key. I want to know those that are ready, those that are really deep into this training. If you get this style, it means that I can shop in front of your house tomorrow. It means that I can shop in front of your house tomorrow. So make me proud. I want to shop in front of someone's house tomorrow. I want to shop in front of someone's house tomorrow. Hold down your alternate key, and then from the name of the frame, just you will see your cursor will now be double. The moment you hold down your alternate key, your cursor will now be double. It will be showing double. Then you can hold your left click and drag. That is another style. That is another way of duplicating. That is another style. Come on, somebody show me your style now. Show me your style. Show me your style. Let me know those that have good style. Show me your style. Show me your style. Show me your style now. Come on, let me see that. And the moment you do use that style, you must release your mouse cursor first before you release your alternate. You must release your mouse cursor first before you release the alternate you have held on. Come on, show me that style now. Show me that style. Show me that style now. Let me know whether you know how to duplicate using that style. But if for any reason you don't know how to use that style, you can still use your Control D. Is that okay? You can still use your Control D. You can still use your Control D. If you cannot use that style, don't worry, you can still use your Control D. Is that okay? If you have done it, and you are situated, in any of this location, I might be in front of your door by tomorrow. You are situated in any of this location, I might be in front of your door tomorrow. If you have done it and you are situated in any of this location, I might be in front of your door tomorrow. If you have done it and you're situated in any of this location, I must be in front of your door tomorrow. You have done it and you're situated in any of this location. You are situated in Toronto. If you are in Toronto, don't worry, I will get your location. I will be in front of your door tomorrow. If you have done it and you're situated in Toronto, Canada, I will be in front of your door tomorrow. If you have done it and you're situated in Lagos, Nigeria, in Lagos, Nigeria, I will be in front of your door tomorrow at the same time. I will be in front of your door tomorrow. If you have done it and you are situated in Lagos, Nigeria, I will be in front of your door tomorrow. If you have done it and you are situated If you have done it and you're situated in any of these locations, you're situated in Munich, Germany. You have done it and you're situated in Munich, Germany. I will be in front of your door tomorrow. Celebrate me. It's not easy to go to different places. Celebrate me. I'll be going to different places tomorrow. The first man to achieve this. I'll be contesting the Guinness World Record. Celebrate me. It's not easy. It's you guys that heard it first. Guinness World Record. Somebody help me and message Guinness. Somebody help me and message the Guinness guys. Help me, help me, help me. Okay, okay, let's proceed. Okay, now we have the light mode and we have the dark mode. Now we have the light mode and we have the dark mode. So what we are going to do, we are going to be changing the light mode to the dark mode, the second one. Okay, so we are going to be changing the second one to what? Dark mode. We are going to be changing the second one to dark mode. We are going to be changing the second one to dark mode. Somebody says he's at Palestine. That is okay. Don't worry. If you're at Palestine, I will send some troops. I will send some social workers to help you, to give you what I want to give you. At the moment, I might not be able to be around Palestine, so I will send some troops around that area to help you. Is that okay? Thank you so much. Okay, so you find the second one, we are going to do dark mode. So everybody rename the second one from light mode to dark mode. The second duplicate. Okay. Rename it to dark mode, everybody. Rename it to dark mode. Rename it to dark mode. So now you renamed it to dark mode. We are going to change the title from light mode to dark mode. Come on, walk with me. You're going to get this. I'm not going to leave you behind. I'm not going to leave you behind. You're going to get this. Change it from light mode, the name, from light mode to dark mode. Remember, key, please listen. What you are going to do, anything you are changing, make sure you are not changing the location. Make sure you are not moving things. Make sure exactly the way is on the light mode, that is exactly the way is on the dark mode. Let your hand not be shaking to the point that you are moving the location of the element. Don't move the location. Don't move the location. Don't move the location. What did I say? Don't move the location. No matter what is happening in your environment, don't move the location. No matter what is going on, don't move the location. Even though you want to go and ease yourself, don't move the location. Even though anything is happening to you, don't move the location. Even though that there are some, even though your conductor, you are in the bus and the conductor wants to collect change from you, don't move the location. So everybody put dark mode here. So when you put dark mode, we are going to now change the location of the green icon now. Come on, walk with me, guys. We will change the location of the green icon now. We are going to move it from the left to the right. We are going to move it from the left to the right. We are going to move it from the left to the right. So everybody on the dark mode, click on the little circle, the rectangle circle that is like a circle now, the rectangle that we have transformed to a circle, and move it to the right. For the dark mode, it should be on the right hand side, not on the left. It should be on the end point. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Milestone, mindful. Even if there is an earthquake, please, even if there is an earthquake, don't move your location. Don't move it. Don't move it. Are we together? Good, good, good. So we have our dark mode on the right and our light mode on the left. We have our dark mode on the right and our left mode on the left. We have our dark mode on the right and our dark mode on the right and our left mode on the left. We have the dark mode on the right and our left mode on the left. Okay, now you have done this, you have achieved something great. I celebrate you. The next thing we are going to do, we are going to be changing the dark mode color to dark. You know, we call it dark mode, so there's no way it can be white. So everybody change the background color of your dark mode frame, change it to dark, change it to black. So how do you do that? Let's take it step by step as the ABC technique we are using. Step A, select your dark mode frame. Step A, select your dark mode frame. Again, step A, select your dark mode frame. And when you select your dark mode frame, go to your what? Property, your fill. Go to your fill. Go to your fill. Are we on the same page now? 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 Okay, go to your fill and change it to dark. So I'm going to click on the fill color and I'll change it to something dark. I'll change it to something dark. Dark. So I'm going to use, I won't make it black, like black. I'll change it to dark. I'll use the dark color I'm using is 393939. So I'm going to be using 393939. First of all, let me change my background. My background is looking dark, so you guys might not see the difference. So let me make my background a little bit. Let me change the color so that we can see the difference properly. Good. So I have my dark mode. So I've changed the background to dark. So you can see that it's giving me that dark feel now. It's giving me what? Dark feel. It's giving me what? Dark feel. It's giving me what? Dark feel. I have it now, dark mode. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? I've created my dark mode now. I've created my dark mode now. I've created my dark mode now. I've created what? My dark mode now. Have you done yours? If you have done yours, put on the comment section, too sweet. Put on the comment section, too sweet, too sweet, too sweet, too sweet. If you have done that, put on the comment section, too sweet. If you have done that, put on the comment section, too sweet now. Put on the comment section, too sweet. 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 Okay. Put on the comment section, too sweet. Good, good. Someone said on the comment section, why is it that Nigerian teachers are not like it? At PDU Africa, we are here for ABC. Don't worry, don't worry. They don't know the value, the gold mine that they have, the gold mine platform, PDU Africa, that they have in Nigeria. Don't worry, they don't know the gold mine. If you have connection, you know the president, you know the minister of education, tell them so that we can have a 1 week seminar with NUC. Tell them so that we can have a 1 week seminar with Teachers Association before they go to strike. Tell them so that we can have a 1 week seminar with them. If you know the president, you know Tinubu, you know anybody, you know Kwankwaso, you know anybody, you know Wike, you know Fubara, you know anybody, you know, start calling them, start sending them message and arrange a 1 week seminar. Nigeria do not know the gold mine that they have. They don't know that. Do fast before Australia takes us. Do fast before Australia kidnaps us. Do fast before Australia takes us to better their country. Okay, so you click on the dark mode and then you change it to what? You change the color to white. You change the color to white. You change the color to white. Is that okay? You change the color to what? To white. So that dark mode, I'm going to quickly do that. I'm going to change it to white. It's not supposed to be dark on the dark mode, so I will change it to white real quick. Okay, thank you so much. So we have done the dark mode, and now we have the light mode and the dark mode. I just want to be sure that everybody has gotten to this point so that we can now do the interaction. Is that okay? Is that okay? I just want to be sure. 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 Have we all done this? So we want to move into our prototype section now. I just want to be sure everybody has done this. Everybody has done this. I just want to be sure. If you are sure you have done this, let me know how many sure can I get on the comment. We are rounding up. Let me know how many sure can I get on the comment before we've bench into our prototype now. Are we together? Okay. Now you have done this. Now you want to listen. This is trickish now. You want to listen. Now, everybody, the moment you have done this, go to your prototype. Is that okay? Go to your prototype. Now, if you look at the right-hand corner of your screen, you will find out that all this while we have been on the design tab. Is that okay? We have been on the design tab. Your project, it saves automatically now. Is that okay? Ayobami, you said, how do I save my project? Figma saves your work automatically. That's why it is good we are working on the cloud, because Figma saves your work automatically. So you don't need to be bothered on how do I save my work. Figma saves your work automatically. Ayobami. Okay, so everybody, we have been on design tab. This is the time you move from design to prototype. So everybody, let's go to prototype. Let's go to prototype. So you click on the prototype tab. Remember, where am I? I'm on the right-hand side, guys. I'm on the right-hand side. You click on the prototype tab. I'm on the right-hand tab. Are we together? I'm on the right-hand side. Are we on the same page? So go to the prototype, guys. Come on, can we do this together? Go to the prototype. And now, once you click on the prototype, the moment you click on the prototype tab, select the light mode. Everybody select the light mode with me. Select the light mode frame while you are on the prototype tab. While you are on the prototype tab, select the light mode. Select the light mode. Just click on the light mode frame. Click on the light mode frame, guys. Come on, walk with me, guys. Are we together? Now, the moment you click it, now this one is very trickish now. Watch me. The moment you click it, you can find out that once you're hovering around this your frame, you can see some dots around it. Can you see it? Some dots. Are you seeing it? Some dots at the angles. Are you seeing it? Even when you click on that little box inside, that rectangle, you can still see some dots around it. Come on, guys. I need you guys to confirm this. Let me know whether it's only my own is happening. Let me know whether it's only my own is happening on. Let me know. Let me zoom in and show you guys. If you move around, you can see some angles, some circles, some dots. We call those things your interaction points. You can see them. If it's happening on your own too, just put on the comment section, confirm. Can we do that? Put on the comment section, confirm. Are you seeing it? You will see some interaction points. Once you're on the prototype, you will see them. It is happening. Something is happening. It is happening. Don't worry, it's not the end of the world yet. It is happening. Don't worry, it's not the end of the world yet. How many of you were part of those that went to that mountain? I don't know whether you guys heard the news. I saw on social media that some people went to a mountain that they told them that the world is ending on the 25th of September. I don't know whether it's 25th. How many of you on the comment? My spirit is telling me that there are 7 of you on the comments here that went to the mountain. I wanted to know how the experience was. Are we together? So it is not like that one. How many of you went to that mountain? I saw it on social media that there's some people that went to the mountain on the 25th of September. where the word is ending on the 25th. My spirit is telling me 7 of you, I know I'm a spiritual man, 7 of you there went to the mountain. So you guys should tell us how the mountain, how it was. Okay, so now when you see those interaction points, you click on the circle. Everybody click on the circle. Everybody click on the circle. Click on the circle. Click on the circle. When you click on the circle, are we together? You're going to see your interaction point. Then you drag. Now this is very, you need to look at what I'm doing. You drag. Are you seeing what I'm doing? You drag it to connect with the dark mode. You drag it to connect with the dark mode. Can you do that now? Everybody drag that second circle, not the entire circle, not the group. 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 You drag it and what? And connect it to the dark mode. You drag it and connect it to the dark mode. So once you connect it to the dark mode, you find out that you have your interaction settings popping up for you. Have you done that? Have you done that? Have you done that? Do you have your interaction settings popping up for you guys? Have you done that? Have you done that? Have you done that so that we can set up our setting? Let me do it one more time. Let me delete what I just did and do it one more time. Let me delete what I've just done and do it one more time. So I'm going to delete this interaction that I've done and do it one more time. So I'm going to select the circle. Remember, not the group, not the combination of the placeholder and the circle, but we just want only the circle, that green circle. The green circle. The green circle. Lawi said, I didn't see any points. Lawi, you're not on prototype. If you did not see any points, you're not on prototype. If you did not see any point, you are still on design. You're not on prototype. You need to rewind this video to go and watch where you missed. Is that okay? Lawi, is that okay? I said the first step, go to prototype. That's what I said. Select your light mode. Select the light mode while you're on prototype. Select the light mode. Make sure you're on the prototype tab. If you're not on the prototype tab, you're not going to see anything. So once you're on the prototype tab, you go and select your green. Remember, we're on light mode. You select the green circle. You select what? The green circle. The moment you select the green circle, you will see this interaction point beside that green circle. You can zoom your screen in. You can zoom in to see your screen very well. Now, from that interaction point, just click on anyone, whether the top, the side, the left, the right, anywhere. Just click on the interaction point you're seeing, and then you drag, holding down your left click. Drag that interaction point, drag it until you get to your dark mode. It will clip to your dark mode frame. It will clip to your dark mode frame. It will clip to your dark mode frame. If it has not clipped to your dark mode frame, you have not started. Make sure it clips on your dark mode frame. Make sure it clips on your dark mode frame. Make sure it clips on your dark mode frame. If it has not clipped, you have not started. Make sure you clip on your dark mode frame. So as the way mine has clipped. Are we together? The moment yours clips, you will find out that you will see another pop-up screen that will open for you. This pop-up screen is called your interaction settings, your settings screen, for you to set how this interaction will function. This thing I'm doing is simple. It's just that we have a lot of beginners here. So we want to make sure we are taking you to master this. Is that okay? Very simple. It's not a difficult thing to do. Are we together? If you have done a mistake, just click on the interaction line and tap delete on your keyboard to delete it. If you had a mistake, maybe you connected it to another place, just click on the line and then you tap delete on your keyboard. I did not say mindful. I did not say anything about on group now. Did I say anything about on group? I said click on the circle, double click, you will get to the circle. You say you cannot click on the circle, you're not clicking very well. Double click, you will get to the circle, mindful. I never said you should ungroup. I never said you should ungroup. Double click, you will get to the circle. Click very well. You're not clicking it very well. Click very well. I did not ungroup. Why are you asking me about ungroup? Did I say ungroup? Have I mentioned ungroup on this section? I don't think I said that. Click very well. Some of you are not clicking. If you just click it once, you will not get to the circle. You need to double click on it. You need to double click until if you just click once, you will not get to the circle. Double click until you get to that circle, the green circle. Okay. So now you have done this, let's work with our interaction box. Now on this interaction box, the first thing you are going to see is trigger. The first thing you are going to see is what? Trigger. Trigger, trigger. It's spelled T-R-I-G-G-E-R. Trigger. T-R. T-R-I-G-G-E-R. Trigger. Trigger. So that place you see trigger, you're going to click on the drop down. That place you see trigger, click on the drop down. You're going to see on tap there. Some of you are going to see on click. So you're going to select on drag. Everybody, you're going to select on drag. The option, the setting option that says trigger, select on drag, on drag, on drag, on drag. Everybody, will we select what? On drag. Once you select on drag, that place you see action. Action. We are going to be select navigate to. Yes, navigate to is correct. Leave it as navigate to. Bella Best, you say you are lost. Are you just joining? If you are joining, please rewind the video. Is that okay? Rewind the video. I always say this. That's the reason why we're on YouTube now. Is that okay? YouTube is one of the best platforms for watching a live section. Why? Because of anywhere you are lost, you can always rewind the video. There might be a lot of situations or a lot of things that can make you to be lost, and we understand. Some of you might be network issue. Some of you might be that you were distracted, and to come back again, you are now lost. So just rewind the video. It's not a difficult thing. Is that okay? Just rewind the video. I can promise you that if you rewind the video, there is nothing I've been saying that you won't get. Is that okay? I spent so much time to explain one thing for several minutes. So I know that if you rewind the video, anything that will make you to be lost, it means that you were distracted or something put you off guard. So you can rewind the video and get what you need to get. Is that okay? I think it's as easy as that. Is that okay? Okay. Are we together? So everybody, destination, make sure your destination is at dark mode. Make sure your destination is at what? Dark mode. For destination, select dark mode. For destination, select dark mode for destination. And the animation, when you get to animation, select smart animate. Select smart animate. Can you do that again? Select smart animate. In case your own is move in, move out, push, slide in, slide out, just select smart animate. Select smart animate. Is that okay? Select smart animate. Select smart animate. And the curves, for curves, just select what? For curves, just select ease out. Ease out is okay for curves. And for duration, let's make it 500 milliseconds. 500 milliseconds, not 300 milliseconds. Change yours to 500 milliseconds, guys. Come on, let's go. Change yours to 500 milliseconds, not 300 milliseconds. 500. 500 milliseconds. Let's go. 500 milliseconds. Let's go. Let's go. If you've completed all these settings on your interaction settings pop-up or windows, if you have completed all the settings, put on the comment section, I can. Put on the comment section, I can. We are wrapping up now. Put on the comment section, I can. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting. Put on the comment section, I can. Make sure everything you have is exactly like my own. Let me go over it one more time. The first one, trigger. Make sure the trigger, you click on the drop down, make sure it's on drag. The action, make sure it's on navigate to. The destination, make sure you select the dark mode frame. Make sure you select the dark mode frame. And lastly, animation, not lastly, rather, animation, make sure you select smart animate. For curves, make sure you select ease out. For duration, change it to 500 milliseconds. The moment you're done with that, you close out. You close that interaction done. Now, everybody, exactly what you did for the light mode to the dark mode, we are going to do that exactly for the dark mode to the light mode. Let me give us a live classwork test and see those that will get this. I want to go a live classwork test to see those that will get this. I will tell you, do exactly what you did from the light mode to the dark mode. Do it from the dark mode to the light mode. Do you understand what I said? Do exactly what you did from the light mode to the dark mode. Do the same thing. From the dark mode to the light mode. I'm not going to tell you how to do it. Let me see. This is live classwork. Someone is going to win something now. Someone is going to win something tonight. Let me see the first person to put done on the comment section. Do from the dark mode to the light mode. Let's go. Someone is going to win something tonight. The first person to say done is going to win something tonight. Let's go from the dark mode to the light mode. Let's go. I'm not going to tell you how to do it. You have done it before. So exactly what you did from the light mode to the dark mode, do it exactly from the dark mode to the light mode. Let's go. The same prototyping, the same thing. Do it from the dark mode to the light mode. Let's go. Let me see those that are following this class deeply. Do it from the dark mode to the light mode. Exactly the same thing you did from the light mode to the dark mode. Do the same thing from the dark mode to the light mode. Are you serious? We have serious people on this training, we have serious people on this training, I love this. We have serious people on this training, I love this. We have serious people on this training, I love this. Ayodeji, move on to where? Where are you going, Ayodeji, so that we'll follow you? Move on to where? Emmanuel Ayodeji, where are we moving to? Tell us. Move on to where? I say this time without number that you need to understand. We should understand how to learn with people with different learning pattern. Is that okay? Not everybody is a swift and fast learner like you. Is that okay? When you are in a training like this, learn to accommodate others. Is that okay? We are making sure we accommodate others. Is that okay? If I'm teaching my professional students this thing I've done, I will use less than 30 seconds to do this thing with them because they already know how to do it. Is that okay? Good. So because of you are very fast in learning does not mean that others are like you. Is that okay? So this is ABC standard. Is that okay? So Mr. Emmanuel Ayodeji, be patient. Is that okay? Be patient with others. Is that okay? I'm teaching you. I don't know if you're married, sir, but if you're not married or you're married, I'm teaching you how to be patient with women. Is that okay? Is that okay? Be patient. If you can be patient with these people on this call, you can be patient with anybody in this life. Is that okay? Be patient, Mr. Ayodeji. Be patient. Thank you so much. I love you, bro. Okay, good. Now, if you have done this, let's now click on the what? Let's showcase our light mode and dark mode. You're going to see magic now. 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 So everybody, let's click on that little button that says flow 1. Are you seeing it? Flow 1. Flow 1. Flow 1. Can you see flow 1? That light mode. Go to the light mode. You're going to see flow 1. Go to the light mode. You're going to see flow 1. Go to the light mode. We are going to see flow 1. So click on that flow 1. That little icon that looks like a preview icon on the flow 1. Then you're going to see your preview phone screen coming out. Did now. Remember, the reason why I'm taking my time to teach you this, you're going to do it on your project. Is that okay? Oluwa Fisayomi, he said with women. Yes, now. Is it not good for men to be patient with women? It's good. Now, I think it's a I said women. I think it's a good thing now. I mean, is it not a good thing? It's a good thing. Okay. So have you done that? Have you done that? Have you done that? Have you done that? So everybody, you're going to see your design. You can now move it from light mode to dark mode. Walk with me, walk with me, walk with me. Okay, walk with me, walk with me, walk with me. We are going to be showcasing this. Thank you so much. Emmanuel is saying this is cute. Imagine, I'm waiting for mine to open so that I can show you how mine is working. If your own has worked, you can see the wonderful sweet navigation. Just put on the comment section, too sweet, too sweet, too sweet, too sweet. If you can see your wonderful navigation, put on the comment section, too sweet. Put on the comment section, okay, my own has opened, and let's see now. Let's do this together as a family. Let's do this together as a family. Let's do this. Let's do this. Wow. Dark mode, light mode. 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 Wow. Dark mode, light mode. Wow. Dark mode, light mode. You can see what is going on right here now. You can see what is going on right here now. Flow 1, just click on the light mode. You will see your flow 1 now. Once you click on the light mode, you will see the light mode frame. You will see your flow 1. Light mode, dark mode. Light mode, dark mode. Are you seeing it? Those of you that have gotten this, you can go to any company now and tell them to sack their UI UX designer that you want to replace them. You can go to, I give you the authority. Go to any company now, tell them to sack their UI UX designer that you want to replace them. Go to any company, message their CEO on LinkedIn. Message their CEO on LinkedIn. Message their manager on LinkedIn. Message their HR on LinkedIn. Tell them to sack their UI UX designer that you want to give them something awesome. Tell them to sack their UI UX designer, you want to give them something intense. Tell them to sack their UI UX designer. Message OPay, message MoneyPoint, message Kuda, message any app you know. Tell them to sack their UI UX designer, you want to give them something awesome. Are we together? Are we together? Message them, message them, message them. PDU is not left out. PDU is not left out. Message PDU. Tell them to sack whoever is their UI UX designer that you want to give somebody. Message them. You want to give them something you have not seen before. PDU is not left out. Okay. Are we there? Are we there? Are we there? Are we there? Okay, so this is how to create your light mode and your dark mode, right? Your light mode and your dark mode. Your light mode and your dark mode. Are we together? Your light mode and your dark mode. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Okay. Okay, so guys, you're going to be doing this for your project. There's a video we have created that will show you how to do it again. In case you didn't get this tonight, there's a video that will show you how to do this. So you want to make sure you follow that video and make sure you achieve this. You guys are awesome. You guys are great. We have achieved something incredible tonight. Is that okay? I think at this junction, we are going to be calling it a night for today. Now, another thing I want to tell you, on Thursday, come on, Thursday, guess what? Somebody put on the comment section, guess what? Your next class on Thursday, put on the comment section. Let me see, guess what coming in? Guess what? I believe that there are a lot of you here that you are looking for ways to earn something on this internet. You have ransacked the internet and you don't even know. You have been hearing making money online, how to make as little as $4, $5 on the internet. That is not affiliate marketing. Is that okay? That is not affiliate marketing. That is not network marketing. Some of you have trekked and trekked and trekked and trekked. I don't know. I'm not saying that it's bad, but you have trekked. You have done from New Life to Alliance Emotion to different one, and still you have not been able to make money. We are going to be showing you some practical technique on how to make money online in the next class. Remember, this is not a Ponzi scheme. This is not tap swap. This is not hamster. You have tapped your screen. Some of you, during the process of tapping your screen for hamster, that you decided to become a millionaire or a billionaire that they promised you in hamster, you broke your screen. This is not tapping. This is not a millionaire. This is not a hamster combat. Is that okay? This is not tap swap. You are going to be learning practical ways to make money online as little as $4, $5. We are not telling you that this is going to make you a millionaire. Is that okay? This is for those that want to get extra income. You want to add extra income to your life. Maybe you're already working and you just need something that will be giving you 1 or 2 little change. Is that okay? For Nigerians, you need something that will be giving you as little as 3K, 4K daily, 5K daily, and all that, up to 10K daily. You just need something that will give you little change every day. We are going to be showing you, revealing this secret to you in the next class. And we are also going to be showing you how to access job opportunities that you have never had in your life. Everybody's running on LinkedIn. Everybody's going to one place. Everybody's going to Jobberman. Everybody's uploading CVs every day on different platforms. We are going to be showing you one way you never knew that you can use to find job opportunities. We are going to be showing you on Thursday. So you want to make sure you don't miss that Thursday's class. I'm going to be in that class live and direct, and it's going to be revelation. Is that okay? It's going to be revelation. I love you guys. It has been an awesome experience with you guys tonight. Remember, make sure you are doing your project. Make sure you're taking your test. No test, no project. no certification. Don't say Mr. Favor Francis did not tell you. Don't say PDU Africa did not tell you. No test, no project, no certification. Because of the moment you don't follow this rule, you will be part of those students that when they don't follow rules, they will come later and start disturbing us and start claiming rights that they missed one project. They will not tell you people that they missed something. They will not tell you people that they did not follow the rules for them not to get their project. They will come and start disturbing and start telling us that they didn't get their certification, whereas they did not follow simple rules and regulations. Whereas they did not adhere to simple rules and regulations. These rules are simple. These rules are simple. I can say it again. These rules are simple. Do your project, do your test. I don't think that there's anything difficult in that. The moment you miss a test or a project, it can mar you from getting your certification. Don't say Mr. Favor Francis did not tell you. I'm shouting it now. I'm saying it now because when it gets to your graduation, some of you that did not adhere to the rules, that's where your eye will be open that we were very serious with what we are saying. We are not joking. And no matter that day, no matter how you come to our DM to cry, no matter how you come to our DM to lament, no matter how you come to our DM to put all the epistle, no matter how you come to our DM to give us motivational speech, no matter the level of motivational speech you will come for that day and start telling us why you did not submit your project or why your project was not part of it or why you did not follow the rules and regulations, we will not listen to you by that time. This is the only time we can listen to you. By your graduation day, we will not listen to you. Don't say Mr. Favor Francis did not tell you. Okay. So make sure you take your test. Make sure you take your project. Is that okay? A project will be dropped for you tomorrow. And once it's dropped, make sure you go and do that project. It's going to be an awesome time on Thursday. We love you guys. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Now let me get down to my appealing voice, the voice that will appeal to you guys. Is that okay? Not shouting voice. Those some people, they don't like a lot of shouting when you want to appeal to their spirit. So let me get down to the voice. Okay. So guys, it has been an incredible time. My voice has cracked a little, but I'm still gonna try my best. Okay. So it has been an incredible time with you guys, and trust me, taking a bold step to be part of this training right from day one. Is that okay? Has been an incredible journey, and we love you guys for putting in that effort. Trust me, you don't know what you're doing to yourself. You don't know the bold step you're taking until when this program is done and you can see who you were 2 weeks ago and who you are right now. Is that okay? So I really, really appreciate you guys, the sacrifice, even those of you that have a lot of things that you're doing. Is that okay? But you're still trying as much as you can to sacrifice to be part of this program. And it's something to really celebrate you. It's something to really appreciate you and congratulate you. And I'm going to do that, right? So that's why I said a big congratulations to you, right? For being part of this program and for getting to this point of this program. So please do well to do your test. Let your test or your project not be that thing that will mar you from achieving your goal at the end of this program. So always remember that right here at PD Africa, learning is the foundation to innovation. My name is Favor Francis, and I love you, and I'll see you in the next lesson on Thursday. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. For any question, is that okay? Kindly drop it on the Telegram platform. I think we created a platform for questions. Is that okay? Our support team will do well to respond to your questions via the Telegram platform, right? We might not be able to respond to all questions right here on YouTube because we have a duration, we have a time frame on YouTube. Is that okay? Our studio is going to be closed in the next few minutes. Is that okay? So we might not be able to be on YouTube here and respond to all your questions. So just drop it on the Telegram platform and we'll do well to respond to as many questions as we can. Is that okay? And one thing you need to know about the Telegram platform, if you drop your question once and it has not been responded to, please drop it again. You drop it as many times until your question is being responded to. Is that okay? So don't just drop it once and expect that our support team over there is going to see your project, your question rather. Is that okay? So you can drop it as many times as possible in order for you to be attended to. Is that okay? So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys. Have a good